Foley artists create sound effects for films, TV shows, and video games by using everyday objects to match the actions on screen. They work in sound studios, recreating noises like footsteps, door creaks, or clinking glasses to make scenes feel more realistic. Their job is all about timing and creativity, and they often watch the footage closely while recording sounds in real time. Foley artists help bring stories to life by adding atmosphere and making the sound feel natural. Foley artists can earn between £20,000 and £30,000 a year when starting out. With experience and a strong reputation, this can rise to £40,000 or more. Those working on big-budget films or popular series might earn higher pay, especially if they work freelance and build strong industry connections. Pay can vary depending on the size of the production and how often they're hired. There's no set route to becoming a Foley artist, but many start by studying sound production, audio engineering, or film at college or university. Experience is key, so working on student films, volunteering on small projects, or doing internships can help build skills. Creativity, a good ear for detail, and the ability to work closely with directors and sound teams are all important. Some Foley artists also start in other sound roles before moving into this specialized area.